let's start using these two tools. For me, this is the most difficult part. You see, these pins, sometimes you need to push here from outside. This way you can release easier. Now this should be easy removal, should. Take a photo before. I prepare my eukaryote 8.4 isopropylic alcohol, put in this little sprayer, paper towels, and 3 types of tapes. I will choose at the end. Let's start. First, we'll try like tutorials to remove this and this by pushing. Also, I have this 0.25 millimeters of fishing wire. Just pay attention to this small cable, okay? Okay, when you take this out, clean a little bit here. This time to try to take the touchscreen out. Also, new microfiber. Okay, I use this. I use it to plastics, not to cut myself. I had to use a little bit of heat gun. Then stop. As you see here, then again a little bit heat gun. Easy going. With a little bit patience, you can arrive to this. Remember, very slowly, not to damage anything. I hope I didn't damage anything. Cleaning time. I will try different methods. This take a while. Don't use any abrasive, just like this. Easy, many times. Discovered new method using the fingernails. Is much faster and no scratches. About 1 hour. Lots of fiber, clothes, paper, towels. About 250 milliliters of alcohol isopropylic. Now the hard part, to choose one of the double tape. Put the tape little bit corners just to see invisible removal, to see the distance. Let's try. I will try 3M tape, this specific, maybe I will check on the internet if I find the real specification for this. So let's try 3M first. For the moment seems okay. This is the disaster. Now let's try putting it back and see if it works. The first test. Working. Okay, perfect. Now let's wait for heating up and see if something happened. If when heating up, the screen will be the same.